Welcome to Naxos, babe. What's up, guys? We just got here to Naxos. Got a rental car. First time driving here in Europe with the manual because they don't have automatic. A little bit of a rough start, but I got it down. So gonna check in. We're here at Naxos, one of the bigger islands than the island that we stayed at. Beautiful place here. Delight Paravato Studios. Gonna get checked in, settle up. Hopefully things go smoothly. See you guys in a bit. Meet our friendly little guy. Guys, hello. Say hello. Say what's up, YouTube. Update. Just got here in Macau Beach. Very, very beautiful here. It's hot. Wait, let me look. Weather is perfect. And we're gonna get some grinds, some food. Rare cheese of Naxos. Very, very popular here. Literally a block of cheese.
Tomato marmalade. Fried cheese.
Fried cheese with tomato what?
Marmalade.
Marmalade. How is it? First bite.
Oh my god. Oh my god. I don't even know how to describe it.
It's really good.
This cheese is so sweet.
Oh my god. That is really, really good.
Alright, I'll make it like sticks. And you can just dip. And
Oh my god.
it's good.
We gotta try this and the potato fries. And wine. Wow. Krepka. Pizza. What's in it? Oh, you got some red sauce, a couple cheeses, feta cheese, some olives, tomatoes, green onion. Just a super healthy pizza.
Ready and out.
See? Oh, you got the moped in the back too. Macau Beach here in Naxos. Super touristy, very, very crowded, as you can see. All these people. Water's nice and cold, refreshing. Hey. Good morning. Good morning, guys.
Morning.
Having our complimentary continental breakfast. That's a thing for pretty much everywhere we stay so far. So we'll see how the food is. Can't wait. Alright guys, we're gonna be checking out some of Naxos' beautiful beaches today. And the first one is Agio Anya. Seems like a really crowded beach, but there's not that much people right now. So, this is it.
Their best, they learn to live an empty mind, a room to breathe. My senses went away, but it's
Here at Paka Beach, water is very refreshing.
there on holiday. My senses went away, but it's all good, they're on holiday. My senses went away, but it's all good, they're on holiday.
You can sleep here. Smile, babe. Here at the Peppermint Restaurant and Cocktail Bar. Got the Greek salad. Our favorite Phantom Orange. And got the macaroni.
The creamy balls with tzatziki sauce and the Gruyere cheese. And then the cheese rolls. I don't
hold on me. You got a hold on me. Through the red lights and the blue eyes, you got a hold on me. You got a hold on me.
What's up, guys? Second night here in Naxos. Here at Naxos town at this little cafe cocktail bar. You got the
Spicy tequila something.
Bueno cocktail or whatever. You got like the cop espresso martini. Update, guys, we just found a little cocktail bar here with $6 cocktails.
€6.
€6, still yet cheap. A little like maybe $7, one night. Check it out. €6. All these cocktails. Even an Irish coffee for €5. Lemon cafe cocktail bar. So stoked on the prices. Next stop, Lemon. Babe.
Thank you.
Sefer esto. Wow.
Lady, can I help you, me?